Welcome to Medas Tech. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the concept of zero. Let us understand this with an example. Look at the picture. Can you tell how many birds are there in the picture? Let us count. 1, 2, and 3. 3 birds are there. If one bird flew away, then how many birds do we see? 1, 2. There are 2 birds. One more bird flew away. How many birds we see now? Yes, only one. Again, one more bird flew away. Now, how many birds do we see? There are no birds. That is, there are 0 birds in the picture. Let us see one more example. Here is Bunny and Veda. Let us count the number of cars they have. Bunny has 3 cars. Veda has no cars. We say she has 0 cars. The number 0 is written as, we read it as 0. It means nothing or no objects. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.